Yo guys, this is a BMW 2 Series, and you can see in here it's melted the pins on. My battery is too low so I can't get the flash on, but there's 5 pins in there and one of them is burnt out, missing. Okay, this is BMW 2 Series, and this is the connector here as well. You can see that one there is melted. You guys are going to experience this at some point on your BMW 2 Series. This is the interior of the 2 Series. Okay, let's do the temporary repair. So I'm going to bypass this burnt out pin. Brilliant. Thank you very much. Take your hazard lights off. Okay, so this is how you repair your indicator and brake light on a BMW 2 Series if it's stopped working because of melted pins.